Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Charles Schwab mobile deposit easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Charles Schwab mobile deposit, start by opening the Charles Schwab mobile app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the deposit option in the app's main navigation menu. Tap on the deposit option to proceed. You will see a choice for mobile deposit. Select Mobile Deposit to begin the. Next, you need to choose the account where you want to deposit the funds. Select the appropriate account from the list provided. Now, prepare your check by writing for mobile deposit only on the back. Position the check on a flat surface under good lighting. Tap on the Take Photo button to capture the front of your check. Align the check within the provided frame as instructed. Once aligned, take a clear picture of the front of the check. Now, tap the Next button to proceed to the back of the check. Again, capture a clear photo of the back of the check. Ensure that all corners of the check are visible in the frame. After taking the photo, tap Next again to review your images. Confirm that both images are clear and legible. If satisfied with the images, enter the check amount in the designated field. Double-check the amount for accuracy. Review all the deposit information displayed on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap the Submit button to finalize the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit is successfully submitted. Keep the physical check for at least 60 days in case of any issues. That's it. You have successfully configured Charles Schwab mobile deposit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.